I helped one of my clients close multiple 5-figure deals using this exact video idea framework. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to come up with YouTube video ideas that are actually going to convert your viewers into high-ticket clients. So you can fill your calendar with 20 to 50 qualified calls per month without needing millions of subscribers. Let's get right into it. So the YouTube video idea framework that I'm going to be working on today, I'm going to be giving it out completely for free. It's in the link down in the description. So click on that so you can follow along. So the 3 types of content that you really need for your channel is action videos, education videos, and proof videos. So what your action videos do is they bring awareness to your channel. So what your viewers are thinking at that moment is they have a problem and they need somebody to fix it for them. They need some kind of solution. They're asking themselves, are you going to be the one that's going to fix the problem for me? Your next video is your education videos, which positions you as the expert. You know, it shows that you have the knowledge to fix these problems. And so what the person at that stage is thinking, does this person actually know what they're talking about, your viewers? Are they an authority? Are they the ones that are going to give me the best value? And then your last type of video is your proof videos. So in these types of videos, you show results, you want to build trust, and you want to convert your viewers. So what they're thinking in their head is, can they actually get me the results? Do they have proof? So what your action videos do, they attract new viewers and provide immediate value. Your education videos position you as the authority in your space. And your proof videos build trust and convert viewers into paying clients. Okay, let's get right into how we can implement this for your business. Just follow along with me. This might not make a lot of sense right now, but at the end, it's all gonna come together. This is specifically for your action video. So I want you to list down your processes or your systems. So like, what do you do to help out your clients? A process that you would do to help somebody out with a specific problem. So for example, for me, I help people make YouTube videos that make them money, bring them clients. And a lot of them don't know how to make YouTube videos. They don't know how to come up with ideas. They don't know how to script, edit, any of that good stuff. So my process or my system would be, an example for a first one would be how to come up with YouTube video ideas. And then a second one would be, for example, how to record YouTube videos. And like, I can already think of things that I could say in these videos right here, like best practices, what not to do, what to do. And I just want you to write down 5 processes or systems in your specific business and then follow along to the educational videos. By the way, if you want us to handle the entire YouTube system for you, the ideation, the scripting, editing, thumbnail, all that good stuff, click the link in the description. We guarantee you 10 to 30 qualified calls or you don't pay a single dime. Let's get right back into it. So specifically for educational videos, I want you to list down 5 mistakes or misconceptions. For me, first example would be people don't get results on YouTube because they don't know what they're doing. Because a lot of them don't. A lot of them don't. They're just, spraying and praying, hoping that they get views, but they end up being disappointed, and then they either quit, or some of them don't even start at all because it's hard to start something with no structure. So, I butchered this. Hold on. I swear I know how to type. I swear. Okay. My second one would be something like coaches, service providers don't have a content plan or structure, don't know how to start. And yeah, just follow along, fill in the rest of these, and then we'll go into the proof videos. So I want you to list your biggest wins, your client results, case studies with their specific numbers. So for example, for me, helped out one of my clients generate 88K, helped out landscaping clients generates 88K in 4 months with strategic YouTube content. And specific numbers, 88K. And for my next results or achievement that I want to list down is I actually helped one of my clients secure $10,000 in sponsors from only 2 YouTube videos. Just 2. It's crazy. So helped out of my clients generates 10K in sponsors from only 2 YouTube videos. Specific number, 10K. Okay, moving on. So I added these templates right here, so it's easier for you guys to follow along and use the information that you typed up in these sections right here to construct the idea. So your action videos are how-to step-by-step content that provides immediate value. Your education videos are why things work and or don't work. They're frameworks, and they position you as an authority. And your proof videos, again, they're case studies, results behind the scenes. You want to build trust with those. So my first video example idea, using the information that I typed out in my action video column. So how to come up with YouTube video ideas. I'm going to use this second bullet point in the template to construct my idea. So it's going to be something like how to come up with YouTube video ideas that actually book calls. And then in brackets, I would say with examples. There you go. Pretty simple stuff. And then for my second one, so going back to my action processes right here. So how to record YouTube video ideas. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to use the second one again. How to record YouTube videos that actually convert in 2026. There you go. Pretty simple. Once you have all the information and everything written down, it's just more organized and you can just come up with ideas naturally. So for my educational videos, it's going to go back to where I put my biggest mistakes and misconceptions right here. So my first one is people don't get results on YouTube because they don't know what they're doing. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to use the third bullet point in the education template section. It's going to look something like why your YouTube channel isn't booking calls. And then in brackets, I would say, and how to fix it. Super simple. This video, the title by itself, somebody is going to read that and be like, okay, this guy's going to tell me what I'm doing wrong and how I can actually fix my problem. So moving on to the next one, the exact YouTube acquisition system for coaches full course. This targets coaches and it shows them the complete YouTube acquisition system for them to get clients from YouTube from this one course. And this video is probably going to be around 15 to 30 minutes long, and it has everything they need to know for them to be able to get clients from their YouTube channel. So moving on to the proof section, my first example would be going back to the proof video section, the results and achievements. My first one is I helped out landscaping client generate 88K in 4 months with YouTube content. Specific number was 88K. So I'm going to go back here using that information, and I'm going to use the first bullet point in the template right here, how I achieved this result in this time frame. I'm going to construct my title to be something like this: how I helped a landscaper generates 88K in 4 months with YouTube. There you go. And then for my second one, how Simon made 10K from 2 YouTube videos. Pretty simple stuff. Now feel free to fill up the rest of this table on your own time, but if you want me to do this entire thing for you, just click the link in the description. I guarantee you 10 to 30 qualified calls, or you don't pay a single dime. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.